Here's the saddest thing in the world. The puppies have gone to the vets, and Daisy is looking for the puppies.
Is this on tape?
Yeah.
Are you talking to me? Are you gonna cry?
I feel like crying. It's pretty sad.
Don't really care because she's gonna see them soon.
Yeah, but it's heartbreaking. She's going through anguish right now.
Is she breaking?
She's not. She's scratching.
Are you still taping?
Yeah.
Oh, we're having a conversation. Hey, there's noodles over there. Daisy, come here. It's okay. You're not lost.
She's checking everywhere, huh? Where did I leave them? Where did I leave them?
Are you still taping? Or are you...